from a mutual. I then got scouted by an academy called African Soccer Development, in abbreviation called ASD. ASD was a European-based owner that then decided to invest into the African market. And we had a hostel, which meant that the players that played for ASD had to sleep, live, eat, school at the hostel. And I think that in terms of where I am today, that developed me holistically. Uh, in so many ways, that developed me. That I grew as a goalkeeper at ASD. And let's fast forward 3 years into ASD. We played the Angel Knockout Tournament. We won the tournament. I got goalkeeper of the tournament. Duncan Browie then gave me the goalkeeper of the tournament. And at the time, Duncan Browie was the head of youth at Ice Cape Town. And that's when I got the call from Ice Cape Town to become one of their players.
Definitely, yeah. And obviously being part of Ajax Cape Town,